Here's the restaurant elevator. Whatever
See, this
this
one's
is.
working. There we go.
It's an RT, and look at the cab. It looks pretty nice.
Nice, very nice inside there too.
It's the original.
Oh, it's original.
Yeah.
Still original? I'm surprised.
You're only gonna be those buttons real quick.
Go ahead. I'll stay in the corner. Oh! Leveling.
RT is really rare in Indiana.
Ouch!
It's a nice cab. And awfully they redid it. RT. That was nice to find one.
I think there's more RTs here.
They are.
Oh gosh, how
Oh,
low.
that's fun. That's fun. Let's get real a little bit.
I'm like, okay, whatever. You do you, Schindler. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.